Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you very much for your interest in first window of Prosper or in the Prosper software. And today I'm moving ahead for the second window and the second step of the Prosper of for creating any model regarding your well. So before moving ahead, I want to repeat the same steps as you may remind. So this is introduction. This first window is about your summary, and second window is about your PVT, third is about your IPR, and fourth equipment, it may be your surface equipment or the downhole equipments, and the fifth one is your own analysis. That is your nodal analysis or VLP or something else, sensitivity analysis, whatever you can get. So repeating from the first window, as we click on the first window, we get this type of data. So all these things we have to complete, and we have to input data. We have to select the model, what type of model we want and what type of fluid we are going to give in this software. So here I am selecting the gas, and I will let everything same in the system window as it is, because all things are as per my standard, as per my well. So I am putting it same. So yes, just I am putting the name like mute, then field catch P, location well 1, so platform onshore, offshore, whatever you want to select. It is all about your choice and your standard. So I am putting according to mine. So that is time. So now I am clicking on done. So it was first window as I told you in the first video. So as I click on the done, I will get all these windows activated. So now on the second window, this is your second window, and it is also known as the PVT data, PVT window. In this, various type of data requires, like your gas gravity, separator pressure, gas condensate gravity, water salinity, and impurities, and many more. So click on second window. So this is about data, what type of data is required. As I told you, gas gravity, separator pressure, condensate to gas ratio, condensate gravity, water to gas ratio, salinity, each and everything you have to put there. So if one thing I want to add, if you put anything wrong there in this software will not move ahead. This will give you warning and tell you that your data is not valid, and about that you have to review your data. Okay, now starting, I am putting the data there. For example, gas gravity. This is hypothetical data. For example, 0.5, 100, 0.6, 40, again 0.5, make sure this is not your field data. I am just putting data from a book. So for example, to move ahead and to perform any model. So impurities 1%, 0.5%, okay, 0.75%. So this data along with the impurities are given in this window as required per standard. Okay, as I click on this window, it means that I have completed first window and I am moving for the third window. For moving towards the IPR window, I have to complete all these steps. Along with this, on the upper side you have various type of data, and you can correlate your data with the previous data. If you have, you can calculate many things. You change your composition. Okay, as I told you, if I am putting anything wrong, it will give me an error. So here the error is given as I have given wrong data in PVT data, input data, gas gravity, is 0.5 given by me, but the system is telling me that the valid range is 0.54 to 5. It means I have given the wrong data and it is less than 0.54. So I have to review it. I have to be back on the same data from same window as I have to put there. So minimum range is 0.54, so I am putting 0.6. Now have a look. As I clicked on composition, I got this window. Hope you got this and experienced the error review. Thank you. So along with this, if you want to calculate any property of your well, any property of your fluid, it may be your formation volume factor, Z factor, density, viscosity, whatever. So you click on table. As you click on table, you get new window inside there. So on this you get empty window, empty table, that is with variables like pressure, gas density, gas viscosity, formation volume factor, Z factor, and many more. So I want to calculate all these things regarding my sample as I have given in this window. So I have to click on generate. Remember, you have to click on generate. As I click on generate, I will get new window inside there. So this is the new window. So this required your reservoir temperature, reservoir pressure, number of steps of temperature, steps of pressure. So I have already given their data before starting this video, but you have to put your data according to your reservoir. For example, I have given 215 Fahrenheit of your reservoir. Then reservoir pressure is 3200, number of steps regarding your temperature and your pressure. Third and fourth steps are about your table, mean how many steps you want to get, how many times you want to divide your pressure. For example, 3200 is given there. It will be divided into 15 steps and you will get data according to them in 15 steps. So as I click on the generate, you will get all these things calculated on this table. Have a look on this. As I click on generate, so this is all about your calculation. You can have a look on this. So again, I want to highlight, as I told you, number one window pressure 3200 given. This is 3200 and started from 0 to 3200. It is divided into 15 steps. Hope you got this. Thank you very much. It is all about your second window. So if you want to make graph of any variable present in this table, you can go through plot. On the right side there is a plot button. Click on the plot. So this type of graph you will get about your data, what data you have given. Okay, this is about gas formation volume factor, but I want to change it and I want to get the variable gas density. So from the variable on the top, click on variable and you can change this, what graph you want, what type of calculation you need. So I need gas density. So as I click on gas density, I will get the graph of gas density according to my data. So click on done. So this is all about gas density. Have a look on this. So these are the 10 steps according to your temperature. On the right side you get temperature 60 up to 215 as I have given in the previous window. And on the bottom, this is about your description. This is all about your second window. In second window there are many things we will move on these things and we will calculate also. So click on finish. So this was all about your second window. If you have any confusion about your operating this software, you click on help. This is the help button. Click on help button, read manual. You can get various data, various steps. All these things are present in this manual. Thank you very much. Hope you like this video. Thank you.